Fuselage Part 2. I remove the sticks and the middle bulkhead. I prepare the fuel tank. This is the fitting for the vent line. I place it close to the top of the tank. It was a little tricky to get it there from the inside. Now I'm mixing epoxy to seal it. This should do the trick. JB Weld epoxy is resistant to petroleum. For the supply line and the fueling line, I'll be using a standard kit from a hobby store. I still have to find a way how to secure the threaded cap from unscrewing, but that's later. Now it's time to set the tank in place. Instant glue is the way to go. I apply the structural epoxy glue to all the joining points. The tank is designed to stiffen the fuselage. Now I'm ready to glass over the joints. I designed the landing gear to be in tricycle configuration, however I'm super tempted to change it to a taildragger. I have some solid reasons to do so and I will explain it later on. I have to make the decision first. That's all for today and more coming soon.